Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. If you are new here, my loves, and today's episode I'm going to do a mini wedding makeup. Yes, so if you want to know how I go about it or how you can go about it in a very simple way, please don't cut this viewing very short. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, turn on notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you not miss out on it. Let's get into the business of the day. The first thing you're supposed to do is clean your face when you want to do your makeup. There is no two ways about that. When you come to bridal makeup, you need to actually prep the face very well before you proceed. So I'll apply my vitamin C serum, apply my Flawless IV face moisturizer. So after your moisturizer, the next thing you have to do is to apply your face primer, because in this episode, in this process, we are going to do a foundation first, do everything before our eyebrow, because with bridal makeup, especially wedding makeup, you don't need those dramatic big eyebrows like that. The eyebrows need to be a little thin and natural. So let's get into it. So I'm going to use my primer after the moisturizer. I wish you can see how dry my face is right now. My face is actually very dry. You don't necessarily have to use the face primer that I use, but this works for me. That's why I'm using it. You could get your face primer, or even when the makeup artist is working on you, upon looking at your skin, she knows the type of primer that will work for you. So don't worry. My face is dry. Avo as usual. At this point, I am very addicted to Avo. I know. Have you seen how the makeup is sinking into my skin because of the primer? Yeah. With mini bridal makeup, or generally with bridal makeup, especially wedding, you don't have to use too much foundation. I tell you, it is only traditional marriages that the makeup is supposed to be loud and all of that, but with white wedding, I don't think you need to do too much foundation. And it's for me to use my concealer to correct the places that need to be corrected. I have to start blending from here. Blend. I prefer using my powder for my contouring. A lighter shade from my powder palette for this place before I later use my baking powder. Don't just get up and start baking your face. Okay, so before I start drawing my eyebrow, I'll set my under eye and the places that need to be set or that need to be baked before I start drawing my eyebrow. Okay, so like I said early on, with bridal makeup, especially wedding, we don't need those dramatic eyebrows. So therefore, I'm just going to draw the eyebrow more like my eyebrow, my natural eyebrow shape. At least that is what I know. So the next thing I'll do is to prime my eyelid and do my eyeshadow. So with wedding makeup, the eyeshadow need not to be loud. At least that is what I know. So we are just going to do a light color shimmy eyeshadow kind of. So let's go. Have you seen the color I'm using? A peach kind of color, very shimmy, but the color is not too bright. So we just add the matte dark one here to give it two-sided or two eyeshadow kind of effect, not too dark. Is for me to line my eye, and with the lining of the eye, when it comes to wedding makeup, we don't do those dramatic ones, no. So I'm done with my false lashes. The next thing I'll do is to do my lipstick, and with the lipstick I'm just going to do a nude kind of lipstick. So I just pick any nude color from this. Let me just sweep off the excessive powder from my face. Apply my bronzer. It is really good that during bridal makeup or wedding makeup, after applying your creamy or matte lipstick, you still have to add your gloss. This is how I'm looking like a bride to be. Like I said early on, with wedding makeup especially, it doesn't need to be too loud. Just get your eyebrows very thin and natural, not too loud lipstick. The lipstick should be kind of nude, like you are seeing here. The eyeshadow too, as you are seeing here, it's not too loud, it's not too dim, kind of. This is how, at least that is what I know, this is how wedding makeup is supposed to look like. I'll still do makeup on traditional marriages and then do the traditional marriages. Then you now come back to this particular video and see the difference. With wedding, just keep it simple and nice, but traditional, you go all out. So I'll do makeup on traditional marriage some other time, but I need your honest opinion about how I am looking. I wish I could show you the full fit, but I honestly want to see your opinion about how I am looking. I'll make a fine bride someday. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will not miss out on it. Thank you all for watching and see you all in my next episode. Bye.